There is a wide choice of rotary tablet presses for tablet pressing from powder or granular materials in our catalog. We have the most reliable and modern laboratory tablet presses for tablet production. Tablet machines and tablet equipment are made according to GMP standards. Mechanical and hydraulic presses, bench presses for laboratories, and industrial ones for pharmaceutical factories. We give advice on the selection of various consumables and raw materials to achieve the maximum results in the process of operation. In fact, we have the largest in Russia multi-language catalog of pharmaceutical equipment with photos, descriptions, and what is more important, with prices and video demonstration of the equipment in operation.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.